Programming your Sharp TV with the universal remote.
Hello and welcome to today's video. We are going to discuss whether you can program your Sharp TV using any universal remote, and if so, how to do it. Universal remotes are designed to work with a range of devices, but sometimes specific methods or codes are required.
Can I use any universal remote to program my Sharp TV?
In general, yes, you can use any universal remote to program your Sharp TV. Most universal remotes are designed to work with a multitude of devices, and that includes various TV brands such as Sharp. However, it's important to note that some universal remotes might not include all the specific features that your original Sharp remote might offer.
How to program your universal remote to your Sharp TV?
To program your universal remote to your Sharp TV, you'll need to follow these general steps. 1. Turn on your Sharp TV. You'll want the TV to be active so you can see if the programming is successful. 2. Press the TV button on your universal remote. This button tells your remote that it will be programming a television. 3. Press and hold the Setup or Code Search button on your remote. This button puts your remote into programming mode. Release this button when the remote's indicator light stays on. 4. Enter the code for Sharp TVs. Universal remotes come with a booklet of codes for different TV brands. Find the code or codes for Sharp TVs and enter them using the number pad on your remote. The indicator light should turn off if you've entered the code correctly. 5. Test your remote. Try changing the channel or adjusting the volume on your TV using your universal remote. If these functions work, your remote has been successfully programmed. Please note, these steps may vary depending on the universal remote model you have. Always refer to the user manual of your universal remote for the most accurate steps.
What if the universal remote doesn't work?
If the universal remote doesn't work, don't panic. Here are a few things you can try. 1. Try a different code. Sometimes, a brand may have multiple codes. If the first one you try doesn't work, there may be another one you can use. 2. Reset your remote and try again. Occasionally, the programming process may not work correctly the first time. Resetting your remote and starting over can help. 3. Contact the manufacturer. If all else fails, get in touch with the customer service department of the remote's manufacturer. They can often provide additional assistance. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding how to program a universal remote to your Sharp TV. As you can see, it's a relatively straightforward process, but always check your universal remote's user manual for the most accurate instructions. Happy watching!